Hey everybody, this is Jared again, and I'm going to talk to you today about replacing a garbage disposal. And I will give you a disclaimer, I am not a plumber nor any kind of professional tradesman, so forgive me if I don't do everything perfect or say everything perfectly, but let's get started. So this is the current garbage disposal, which started leaking a few days ago from down here, and it's actually you can't see any evidence of a leak or anything, so it's from down underneath. And I did some looking on YouTube and so forth, and basically decided that it's time to replace it. I'm not going to be able to fix it, and so that's what we're doing. So based on my own research so far, I'll just tell you a couple things. I'm going to get a little bucket here to catch any water when I take this off, and this is to the dishwasher and this is to the drain. So I'll get a bucket down there. I got a couple towels just handy. For one thing, it's easier to hold this with a towel to loosen it, and also to wipe up any water. So what I have there is the insinkerator Badger half horsepower, and I'm replacing it, I'll just show you, with this one I got at Costco, as you can see, for $100. It's the American Standard 1.25 horsepower, and you know it's kind of bulkier, but that's because it's insulated to keep it quiet, or so they say. So what's in the box, just real quickly? Obviously there's the unit. This I believe I will not need to replace, because it's the whole point of this is it's like a quick change collar. That's not what it's called, but something like that. And so I won't be using this either. This obviously we can use as a stopper, that's fine. This is like a little magnetic thing. If I can put that on without too much trouble, I will. I think I can. Just put it on. I'll have to check. I don't know if I'll need that piece of pipe or not. Obviously, I probably already have that. This I also already have, but we'll see if I just want to use this new one. And that's it for the box. Nothing in here. That's what that was in. Real quick, I will show you, just for the sake of curiosity. This bracket is missing a screw here. I don't know how long it's been that way. I didn't do it. We did have some work done because we had a leak, and we had literally all the lower cabinets replaced, and they had to take this out and put it back. And I don't know, that was about just 4 months ago maybe. I don't remember when it was, but not too long ago. So they may have lost that screw and not told us. I don't know. Anyways, I don't know if that caused the leak or not, because what I was noticing about reading about the leak, I think it's within the inside of this. There's a gasket somewhere, I think right around here, and I think that gasket probably is just eroded or cracked or something, and so it's leaking from within the inside of the unit. My wife brought this in, so when I release this, it'll catch it. If you notice, that wasn't there a minute ago. I was asking her to try to find something I could use. Okay, so that's it for this video. I think I'm gonna just make a few videos. So let me just stop this one, and then I'll kind of get everything ready for disconnecting. Whoops, sorry about that, for disconnecting that one, and we'll start another video.